Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space, and welcome to another craft video. Today I have two friends with me to help me do the crafts.
Hi, I'm Haley.
Hi, I'm Sam.
And what are we going to be making today?
Today we're going to be making magic salt snowflake art.
And what does that look like? Ooh, nice. I see the little salt sticking to the paper like snow. Nice. Okay, so before we begin, let's do a breathing exercise to just sort of get us relaxed and ready to go. And I thought we could do one where we are going to put on our things that you need to go out in the snow, like a hat and mittens. So we're going to take a deep breath in, and first we'll put on the hat when we breathe out. Then the next one, when we breathe out, we'll do one mitten and then the next mitten. Okay? So here we go. So deep breath in, breathe out, put on your hat. Deep breath in, breathe out, put on your mitten. And one more deep breath. And put on your other mitten. Okay, ready to go outside?
Ready.
Okay, so what materials are we going to need to do the craft?
So today we're going to need a little salt. You're going to need some watercolor paint and some water, some construction paper or watercolor paper, a couple paintbrushes, and a white crayon.
Okay, and what's the first step?
The first step, we're going to take our paper and we're going to take our white crayon. You can use another color paper too. I used pink for this one, but I'm going to use white today.
Okay, me too.
And you're going to draw a snowflake. This is the fun part. You can draw a big one or small ones.
Okay.
It's going to be a little tricky because they're going to be a little hard to see on the white paper.
Yeah.
I'll show you if you can kind of see.
A little bit.
A little bit. If you put your hand over it, sometimes it makes it easier.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna do 2. Is that what you did?
I did 4 this time.
Oh, okay. I think I'll do 3 then.
I also did 3.
Okay.
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 All right.
So once you have your snowflakes done, your next step is to pick out your colors. We've done 1 or 2, and you're going to apply them over your snowflakes. So I'm going to take some purple.
I have watercolors, right?
Yes, that's watercolor.
Okay.
Gail, you have so many colors. What colors are you going to use?
That is a good question. I think I'm gonna use light purple and light blue. So I'm gonna put a lot of water, right?
Lots of water. You're going to soak the paper.
Okay.
Make it nice and wet.
Okay.
And you'll notice when you put your colors down, you'll start to see your snowflakes.
I
You're
am.
going to keep like magic.
Look at that. It's so cool.
Yeah.
I love it.
Hey, what color did you use?
I'm using blue and purple.
Okay, so you're going to make sure to get it nice and wet. And while you're still painting, that's okay. Mine is getting wet. So once the paper is still wet, the final step is you're going to take a pinch of salt. Just a little bit, goes a long way. And while your paper is still wet, you're going to sprinkle the salt.
Ooh. That looks so cool. I'm going to hold mine up so you can see what is happening when I put the salt on.
Yeah.
It turns the
Wow.
color and it sticks and it looks like snow.
Like that.
So the grains of salt, they act like a sponge with the paint and they soak up all the paint and then it gives you a wintry wonderland effect.
Wow, I love it.
Magic.
While I'm working on this, I have a knock knock joke. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Icy.
I see who.
I see you.
I see you.
That's so funny. Thanks, Gail.
That's a good one.
Okay, mine, I'm gonna work on another sheet later because this is so much fun, but here's mine so far.
Wow, ours look
This one's
pretty.
mine.
Wow, they look great.
Can't wait to see when they're all dry.
I know. Thank you for teaching us how to do this. It was really fun. And if you'd like to see another one of our craft videos, you can go to www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye. Stay
Bye.
warm.